Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today I'm doing baby back ribs on my mill scale 94 gallon. I'm going to cook these ribs a little bit different today. I'm going to slice and season these before I put them on the smoker. These ribs are going to be super barky. They're going to have a ton of flavor. Hey, it might just be the new way to do ribs going forward. So I'm going to be doing 2 racks today. We're going to do more of a sweet heat and more of a salt and pepper. So let's get it going. So this is probably my favorite way to do ribs now. The prep takes a little bit longer because you have to cut the ribs up individually, and seasoning could be kind of tedious, seasoning all the different sides, but I think the payoff is great, honestly. It creates a really good bark on all sides of the rib. I feel like you get a better smoke flavor on the ribs just because the smoke's hitting the ribs individually. And I feel like the cook time's shorter as well, and they cook more evenly. So, and it's also great. You can bring this to like a party or an event, and it will definitely be a hit for sure. I'm starting this cook pretty low as usual, anywhere between 200 to 250 for several hours. We'll check it in about 2 hours and eventually bump up the temperature. This is 2 hours in, guys. It's kind of hard to tell what the ribs really look like. I think I have the light a little too close. But I'm just going to flip these and then give them a quick spritz. I'm using apple cider vinegar and water mix. You can use whiskey, apple juice works. Okay, this is 4 hours in. Ribs are looking really good. They're probing, I think 155, 160. So I'm gonna take these guys off and we're gonna wrap them in some foil. So now I'm just putting these ribs into a foil pan and just layering some barbecue sauce on top of them. You can use whatever your favorite sauce is, doesn't matter. Then I'm gonna bump up the smoker temperature to above 300 just to render out the rest of the fat and finish these ribs off. Okay, it's been about an hour that these ribs have been wrapped in foil. These ribs are probing 205 to 208. I like my ribs a little bit more tender. If you do not, then you can pull them off a little bit early, around 200 to 203 or even earlier. For one of the final steps, what I'd like to do is pull the ribs out of the wrap and put them back on the smoker for another 10 to 15 minutes. This just allows the sauce to set and harden a little bit to make for a better bite. All right, guys, we're done. Cook turned out amazing. Look at the bark on these things. I mean, they both of them taste great. I probably prefer the salt and pepper, but you really can't go wrong with either or. So super tender, super barky. Give this a try. We'll see you in the next video.